Okay, friends, what I got here is a Sharpie paint pen. It's oil-based, white in color, of course, because we're white lettering tires. This is a fine tip pen. It seems to work very well for this process. I'm just going to kind of go through it and show you guys some of the things that I did to white letter my tires on my RC trucks. Now my process is basically keep the tip good and clean, and I just kind of feather the paint on there, and I don't know a good word for it, but that's what we always did, when we were white lettering tires on just static models, when I was younger. But we would take the brush, get a little paint right on the tip, and then just kind of feather it over the raised edges of the numbers and letters. And because if you hold it down too long on the rubber, it will start pouring out of the pen. All in all, it's a pretty easy process. Just take your time doing it. And if any of you's older like me, get you some good reading glasses and a good headlamp, because you're going to need it. That's for sure. Now here, this is the same thing that we used to do on the model cars and stuff. Is I'd always keep a couple toothpicks, and if you got a little run over or whatever, you can just kind of pick it away and clean out your mess, and then kind of go back over it and get it going again. But I mean, we're going to make mistakes, and some mistakes are not that bad. I don't know, most of you guys and girls have seen white letter tires on cars, and they're not always stamped on there just perfectly in the right place. So it's not a big deal if you don't get it absolutely perfect. But I think it turns out pretty well, and it looks good for such an easy process. It doesn't take a lot of time. So, but I'll let you guys finish the video here, and I really appreciate you watching the video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And for all of y'all that are still watching the video with me here, just if you would, just put in the comments white lettering. That'd be awesome. I hope if you try this, it works out great for you. I know it will. And just adds a little more realism to our RC trucks and what have you. But thanks so much again for watching my video, and thank you for all your support.